Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can simply change your WordPress username and how we can do it. So let's start. So when you're going to click on users, there is no possibility to change the username. Usernames cannot be changed, but there is a workaround around it. So what you want to do, you want to add a new user. Write here your username that you want to have, like, I don't know, new username, email, okay. Same as I did. Okay. We have we have just changed the mail here. We have both of these. So when you got it, what you want to do is just log in as this username, as a new username, and then you want to delete the past one. But when you're gonna delete, what you want to do, you want to attribute all content to the new username that you created. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and anyone can do it. So this is how we do it. And then just confirm deletion, attribute all content to, and voila, here you got it, here you go, and this is how we do it. Thank you very much, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.